Hey everyone, this is Jim with Evolution Powersports, and today we're going to talk about launch control, sometimes called two-step. And what is it? Why do you need it? What's so great about it? Well, two-step or launch control has been around in the automotive industry for many years, usually on standalone equipped cars, but now even my Audi has launch control built in. And the purpose of it is to allow you to build boost from a standstill before, on a side-by-side, before engaging the belt. All turbo vehicles have lag in them just as a function of how they work. Turbos are driven off exhaust gases or heat, and it takes time for the heat to build up from the time you step on the gas pedal until when the turbo actually gets into its efficiency range. Whereas a launch control equipped vehicle can have 7 or more pounds of boost before the vehicle ever moves. And the way that's accomplished is we set a artificial rev limit at whatever, RPM we program it to, but in addition, the timing is retarded and extra fuel is added, which creates the heat necessary to spool the turbo basically at barely above an idle. Evolution Powersports has built this feature into our programs. It's the first of its kind in the world to be incorporated into a factory Can-Am ECU, and we're proud of it because it's something that we've wanted for a long time. It's awesome. So we're going to demonstrate it here for you on the dyno in just a moment. Okay, we're in the car. This car actually has our Desert Storm turbo kit on it, so it's a bigger turbo. It's going to take a little bit longer to spool than the factory turbocharger, but we're going to show you how it works. So start the vehicle, press the launch switch, step on the brake, and go full throttle. Do it again. So you can see, even on this big turbo car, it builds boost almost immediately, up to about 7-8 pounds at that RPM. We can raise the RPM higher to get more boost on takeoff, but this is an absolute game changer for those who like to race or just like to leave really hard from a standstill.